Are you finding it hard to get real users and positive ratings? We understand how frustrating it can be when your app isn't getting the attention it deserves. Organic traffic is free but takes time and effort to build, offering long-term benefits and sustainability. Paid traffic provides quick results but requires ongoing investment, and while it can be highly targeted, it lacks the trust and sustainability of organic traffic. At IsolatedStudy Marketplace, we help you bring real, engaged users to your app and get those much-needed ratings from actual users. Our service focuses on growing your app's visibility, improving ratings, and boosting downloads, all with organic, authentic traffic. Want more organic traffic and real app ratings without the high costs? At IsolatedStudy Marketplace, we deliver genuine, low-cost traffic and authentic ratings to boost your app's visibility and growth. No need for expensive ads, just real results at an affordable price. Wondering what makes IsolatedStudy Marketplace different? It's affordable. Get top-quality resources without breaking the bank. It's safe. Your privacy and security come first. Real strategies, designed by experts, tested by learners. And guess what? The first 100 install are absolutely free. Don't miss out. Start your smarter learning journey with IsolatedStudy Marketplace today.